Hey, what's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 strategies you can utilize to make money with Clickbank as soon as today. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah, guys, let's jump right into it. And obviously the affiliate network we're going to be using today is Clickbank. If you guys aren't familiar with Clickbank, this is by far the easiest network to join. I get a lot of questions about people that are looking to join this network. And guys, literally all you have to do is go to the clickbank.com, create an account, personal information, your phone number, your banking information, and then your account information. Once you fill out all those steps, your account is literally going to be set up just like that. So that's simply how you make your Clickbank account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is first pick a product, obviously, and this is the marketplace with all Clickbank's products that they sell from vendors. And so what we're going to do is actually sort it by gravity. And this is going to sort it by all the most popular products that are selling. So I'm going to try to show you guys this example as quick as possible. So we're just going to go ahead and click the red detox tea. And so this is essentially a affiliate program that is about promoting a tea with certain recipes that will help someone lose weight. So, and you can see a little bit of information about it right here. It gives you a whole little package for people to lose weight. And so the first strategy I recommend for you guys, first you're going to actually want to get your affiliate link. So we can just promote the product here, create your link, get that. And then what you can do, this is a 100% free method, is actually look up Red Detox Tea blog. So all we have to do is type in Red Tea blogs, okay? And so, I mean, you can sort it out. You can use your tools here and sort it by, you know, the latest blogs to the oldest blogs, and you can just use the tools to do that. But what you can do is, let's look at the first blog here. Okay, and this blog is literally all about the red tea that you're gonna promote. And why this is so powerful is because this is literally all about the product you're selling. So let's scroll down and look at the comments on here. So as you can see, the 7 reasons to enjoy Chinese red tea. And it gives you all these health benefits about the red tea. And so they have this little comment section right here for people to read and add their input on the red detox tea. And so this is a perfect advantage for you to use to actually sell your affiliate product, right? And the best thing about it is this is already going to be getting 100% organic traffic to the site, especially if it's already on the first page of Google. So what you can do, I recommend to actually, you don't want to ask for the sale. So what you'll want to do is actually go to your notes or just find something where you can write some copy on, and you can just literally tell people how the product has helped you or what your thoughts are on red tea. So, you can say, thanks for this amazing post. I managed to lose 60 pounds in 1 month drinking red detox tea. This has allowed me to live a healthier lifestyle without having to go to the gym. And then you can say, the product I use to melt my fat was, and then you can go to bit.ly, and this is where you're going to want to cloak your link. And copy that, and then go back to your notes. Was this here? Okay, and then you can just use this as your copy. This was just an example copy that I just wrote up. So, you can refine it if you'd like, but all you want to do is literally copy your text, go back to this blog and literally paste it right here, and you can just submit it right there. But that's what you're going to want to do. And since you already have your, your copy set, you're just going to want to go to a bunch of different blogs that are literally talking about the red detox tea. Now, if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a little hack you can do to actually automate this and be the first person to actually comment on these blogs and websites. So that's the first strategy I recommend for you guys. Now, the second one's going to be a bit familiar, but this is actually where you can join communities, and these are actually more active for people to share ideas, share their input, and this is the second strategy I recommend. So other than blogs, you can also join forums. Okay, and you're going to see the first one right here is a Healing Well community where, you know, here's somebody right here that says, hi everyone, has anyone tried the red tea from Africa? It's supposed to be good for digestive problems and has loads of antioxidants. And so what you can do is actually scroll to the bottom and you can reply to the post. But you're going to want to create an account here. Again, you can do the exact same strategy I showed you guys with the blogs, where you literally show them a testimonial of how the red detox tea has helped you, you know, lose a significant amount of weight. And then that's just going to up your chances of selling this red detox affiliate product that you're promoting. Because again, I mean, there's all these people are all interested in this one specific product, right? So super smart strategy you can use here. And again, you can literally join other forums. These are all different forums right here. And you can see this one right here. Somebody else said, I was wondering if anyone has had success with Rubius tea. And you can, you know, comment on here and say the red detox tea has personally helped me lose weight. And that's essentially how you're going to be able to promote this product. And you can see that, you know, in these forums, people actually respond to each other and give each other's input. And that's how these forums work. They're almost like little communities where people actually are very active and they all help each other out. So that's what I recommend with forums. You can join sites like Quora, you can join sites like Yahoo Answers. Those tend to be the most active for me. Again, you can also just use all these sites on Google search engine. And so that's the second tip I recommend. Now the hack I'm going to show you guys is actually using Google Alerts to actually notify you when people are posting about either of these. So for example, let's say you wanted to figure out when the next red tea blog was coming out. All you have to do is literally type in red tea blog. All you have to do is literally create your alert here, but you can just filter it to, since you're going to get a lot of requests, because there's constantly new blogs that are being created every day. So what you can do is actually filter it to at most once a week. Obviously English language, depending on your country that you live. Mine is English. And then you want to filter it to, for sources, you want to hit blogs. Okay, and then that's going to create your alert, and then you can hit create alert, and that's going to give you every single blog that posts about red tea. But yeah, guys, just rinse and repeat that process and keep providing value to these people in these communities, and that's going to help you actually get results faster. So that's the second tip I recommend. Now the third tip I recommend for you guys, and this is by far the most powerful, and that is utilizing YouTube. Now I preach that a lot with YouTube, showing you guys videos, because YouTube is literally the most powerful place where people actually want to get their problems resolved. So, I mean, we could type in red tea here. And you're going to see, you know, a bunch of these videos are about how people have lost weight with this red detox tea. You know, you're just going to see a bunch of people that post these testimonials, and some even actually give these reviews. And you can see that this one YouTube channel with only 83 subscribers already has 1.5K views on this one video. So that's what I recommend you guys do, actually, is either create a testimonial or do a review on the product. And what that's going to do, I mean, you can see, I'm using the tool called vidIQ right here to see these results. But you can see the overall search ranking is 70 out of 100. That means this is a very searched term on the YouTube search engine. So I'm actually going to show you guys the video really quick. I mean, so you can see, you know, even if this video was made a few months ago, it's still getting views every hour for this video. And if we look at the tags of the video, you can actually see what she's ranking for. You can see that she's literally ranking for every single keyword for this video. And that's why her ranking's so high on the YouTube search engine. But this was one example of a review product, and she has her affiliate link right there. So let's go back. Scroll through here. It looks like the red detox review seems to be the most popular. You can see all these small channels are getting a lot of these views. This right here, and this is all on the first page of YouTube. So one strategy you can do is actually make a video, which is what I recommend. But you can also, if you don't want to do that, you can also scroll to the bottom and look at their comment section and promote your affiliate product here in the comments. And that's if you don't want to make a YouTube video, but I recommend using a YouTube video because most of the comments on these YouTube videos they filter that as spam. And you're going to get your comment put in the spam if you keep just posting your affiliate links. But again, if you do decide to comment in the YouTube section, you know, make sure you guys are actually providing value to the people. Like what I said here with maybe a testimonial. Just don't put your affiliate link alone without any backstory. And this is called comment sniping, but just keep that in mind. But yeah, guys, those were the 3 tips I recommend for you guys if you're looking to literally start today with affiliate marketing using Clickbank, these are probably the quickest way to actually see results. Again, guys, make sure you guys are providing value up front and literally rinsing and repeating the process, and you're going to be able to see results doing this. And the best part about these strategies is they're all 100% free. So yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.
Stumbling through the sky.